Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use avatar on Facebook. So let me show you how you can use here. So let me just go to this Facebook, and then what you have to do to use the avatar update, you can see here you have to click on this three dot option, and then you will find um, this see less option. So you have a see more option, so just click on this see more option, and then you will find this avatar option here. So let me just click to this avatar, and it will take a few moments for a loading. So I have already made one avatar, so I will show you by making one new avatar here. So let me just click to this pencil icon, and then you can see here there are lots of options that you can apply here. You can see here heads, so you can apply like this, and also you can go for outfit, the cool outfit. You can see here it's something cool, so go here, and then let me just change a bit, and then just you can edit lots of things here. So it's something cool. So I hope you like the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. So now what you have to do, you have to click on the right option, and then this is your avatar. It's a new way to be on your Facebook, so it's something amazing, you can see here. So now just click on this next option, and then click on done option, and then let me just click here once again here. Now set as profile picture. So loading your avatar option is on the process, you can see here. So now let me just select this, okay, and then click to next option. Now what you have to do here, you can do 7 days. So let me just give for like customize, okay, save. So now this is how you can set your profile picture on this is how you can use avatar on Facebook. Thanks for watching.